Hey, what's up? It's Taku here. Welcome back to my weekly blog. So, this week was a filming week. By the way, I'm suffering from pollen and sorry for my nasal voice. So it's one of the hardest things living in Japan. Okay. So I've been learning DaVinci Resolve because I felt like switching my video editor from Final Cut Pro and to DaVinci Resolve because it looks like a great color grading workflow. Here is a screenshot of DaVinci Resolve, and as you can see, I'm working on editing footages of unboxing a new 16-inch MacBook Pro. And here are notes I taken while learning DaVinci Resolve. And this one is how to color grade in teal and orange style. So I've been watching a lot of YouTube tutorials. So it's very useful. It's interesting because it has a node-based editor for adding effects and color grades, and so on. And it has a lot of keyboard shortcuts to make it quick. So very useful and interesting. And this one is a very basic usage on how to import files. Yeah. So and this color grade style you are watching right now is edited on DaVinci Resolve, which is nice. And next one is I've been learning Three.js. As you may know, it's for rendering 3D objects on web browsers. Because I'm interested in using that on my next landing page for Inkdrop. I'm planning to rebuild the current landing page, and it would be great to use Three.js or something like that to make it stand out. So I was running Three.js and React 3 Fiber, which is React library for using Three.js easily, and Blender for modeling 3D objects. So when I'm searching for inspirations on the web, I found one of the tutorials that is about Ghibli style trees in Blender. So he is a Lightning Boy Studio, and he describes how to accomplishing Ghibli style trees.
I want to show you how
it's
to
cool.
make stylized trees in Blender 2.83. So I've been obsessed with trees from the Ghibli movies for a long time now, and I've studied for hours screenshots from Princess Mononoke and my neighbor.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Just to try to understand what makes.
And I followed his tutorial and accomplished creating it. Here's the result. That is so beautiful. And this is my note while learning his tutorial. So I've learned a lot. But so next I wanted to import this Ghibli style to a web browser. But it turns out it's not possible by simply importing the GLTF file to the browser. It didn't work. So turns out I have to create a custom shader using GLT. No, I forgot how it's called. But anyway, I have to. So I decided to create my own shader for accomplishing Ghibli style, and that is the topic I'll show on my YouTube channel, Deva's Life. By the way, I found an interesting alternative to Three.js that is called Zdog. It's a SVG-based pseudo 3D rendering engine. It's so interesting. So this is a website, and as you can see, they rotate just like 3D objects, but they are SVG. That is interesting. So you can see here's a Mario, and you can drag and drop. You can rotate. Yeah, very, very interesting. So it's a I was interested in it because it's lightweight. It's fast to load. It's faster than Three.js when loading objects because it's a simple SVG data, and it has very clean APIs to build models. But one drawback is you have to write everything in JS. So you can't import models directly from Blender or something like that, anything like that. So you have to build it yourself. That is kind of hard. Yeah, but anyway, it's so interesting. So if you felt like overwhelming when learning Three.js, it would be nice to learn Zdog instead. Next, let's talk about Inkdrop. This week there are not so much updates, but I've got a feature request by Joe. He wants to search tags by case-insensitive. That means that so let's say he has several tags, and it has uppercase, but he wants to search them in lowercase, but it doesn't work. So it would be nice to support searching tags by case-insensitive, because you don't remember the case-sensitive way, like that. So yeah, I'm planning to support it. First I'm gonna work on the mobile version, and then next desktop version. Regarding the desktop version, one of the plugins that is called Chat.js, created by Elpunt, has been updated for the latest Inkdrop. It was broken due to the recent broken changes in the Inkdrop, but he quickly fixed it. Yeah, it's amazing. So thank you for fixing it. Pilot99 reported that some plugins are not working in the recent version, and I informed the plugin authors, and yeah, Elpunt responded to it quickly. Yeah, so thank you for updating it. So yesterday I went to Osaka Castle Park to film the new video. And here are some shots, and it's Osaka Castle. It's yeah, beautiful. And so as I mentioned earlier, in the next video is about Three.js, and I wanted to create an interesting composition, and here is the result. So as you can see, it has a 3D object overlay over the footage. So that is so cool, right? I was working so hard to accomplish that, and I ended up making a special tool for accomplishing this composition. So I'm very happy to achieve that. So I can't wait to publish a new video. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and have a productive day.